boy. I still can't believe Dave Christmas is really dead. Dave Christmas was a magical Christmas tree.
I'm just a magical Christmas tree.
He lost his job working for Santa Claus when he interfered with a child's life.
We're going to have to let you go.
Then Dave adopted the child from Toilet County Orphanage and raised him as his own son. The boy grew into a man and started his own family. A wife and 2 sons. Everything was fine until Dave Christmas's son and his wife were killed in a tragic car accident.
What do you mean they're dead? Mom and Dad are dead! Mom and Dad are dead!
Fuck.
Dave Christmas had no choice but to adopt the boys. Their family soon expanded to include a panda bear girl who later devoted her life to caring for Dave. Anyway, now Dave's dead. Now where are the funnies? Ooh, the adventures of George and Benji. Somewhere in the galaxy of a different dimension, we find George and Benji, lost, trying to open up a vortex home.
This is the only way to open the vortex.
Music plays. Na 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 na.
Open up the vortex! Open up the vortex! Benji, keep playing, you're almost there.
No! Oh, I'll never be good.
Oh no. You're already good.
I keep on making mistake after mistake after mistake.
Your heart is good.
George explained that inside you is already good, but you just have to suck a little bit to get all the good out.
And it's surrounded by mistakes. Mistakes are like jewels, blocking the light of your good. And every time you make a mistake, you take another jewel away, and more good shines through you.
I think you're right, George. I think I am good inside of me.
La 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 la. Wow.
Now!
Keep playing, Benji.
George, I'm nothing but trash. I'm stuffed with trash and my bones are garbage.
Maybe we should go down to the planet down there and see if somebody down there can press 2 or 3 buttons on the piano for us.
So off they went to the planet. It didn't seem like anything was there, except for some birds. Then they saw him.
Uh-oh, Benji. You better let me do the talking here, 'cause, you always get nervous when you talk, so I think that I should talk.
The creature approached. It had 2 heads, eagle wings, and carried a green torch. He did not seem friendly.
Hello there, creature. My name is George, and this is my friend Benji.
Why are you here?
We come from another dimension.
Why have you disgraced our land with your stupid lady shoes?
We are trapped here until we can open up our vortex.
Vortexes. I love traveling dimensions.
Will you help us play the piano?
What do you mean, piano?
The piano's got buttons, and it's got the long white buttons, and it's got the shorter long black buttons, and you press them.
I want to press the button. I love buttons. My brother loves buttons as much as I love buttons.
And when you press them, it go ding, 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 ding. It go ding-a-ling-ling.
What does he mean, ding-a-ling-ling-ling? Brother, I love buttons.
It's got the long white buttons and the shorter black buttons, but those buttons are kinda long. And when you press them together, it goes ba-da-dee-dee-dee-do-do-do-do-dee-dee.
Benji, don't say nothing.
I'm just trying to tell him what happens when you press a piano.
What does he mean, da-do-do-do, ba-ba-ba, da-la-la-la-la?
That's music.
Then Torch Eagle noticed something.
Do you know what music is?
Why do you bring your weapons?
Don't say anything. Not even about anything.
Benji was getting very nervous.
We have guns to protect ourselves from deadly creatures.
You don't let them get away!
Energy burst from the ground. Eagles formed in the sky. Torch Eagle bashed him in the face.
It's gonna kill me.
He laid there.
I'm out of here.
The Eagles chased Benji as George begged for help.
Benji, come back.
Torch Eagle picked up the weapon.
Fuck that shit. I'm out of here.
You're filled with garbage.
I'd like to rip the fat one apart and eat his guts.
Na 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 na.
The fat one does look delicious. Yeah!
Boy, what a piece of shit Benji turned out to be.
Okay, my taxi's here. I'm off to Dave Christmas's funeral.